DIY feeding trough for my goats. You're welcome. Hobby Life with Iyke Phelim. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how I converted this used PVC pipe I saw lying around into a very useful feeding trough for my goats. Okay, that's one of my goats
What
there.
yourself?
Please like and follow. Subscribe to my channel. Alright, so I found this PVC pipe lying around and I felt I was going to use it for something useful in the farm. And since I wanted to increase the capacity of my goats, I need more feeding troughs so they can eat conveniently without them stepping into their feeding and creating a mess in their feeding. So that's me cutting, making marks and making sure that the measurements are correct so it fits into the casing which is going to house this PVC. This PVC pipe is 4 inch. I think it's a 4 inch PVC pipe.
So what is this for now?
It's a feeding trough. The PVC, I found this used PVC pipe, so just gonna wash when I'm through, wash it, carry it to feeding trough for them so they can eat.
Wow.
I'll place it over there. You see, that's where they normally feed. So that they can eat conveniently without stepping into their food. So okay, now I'm cutting it into place and making sure everything is smooth. When handling saws, you have to be careful because saws are sharp. And you have to be very careful. Keep yourself safe. Wear gloves. Wear protective gear to keep yourself safe, so you don't hurt yourself. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to cut the other side so it creates this open tray. More like a PVC tray, which is going to be open so the goats can eat from it. Alright, so now I have done a good job at cutting it open, as you can see. Now it's time to get it clean because there's so much dust on it because it was lying on the ground for a very long time without being used. So I'm just going to wash it clean with some fresh clean water and sponge. We'll clean off all the dirt and the dust on it. Okay, so let's scrub the inside also. Make sure we have a clean feeding trough. We don't want to have dirty feeding troughs introducing dirt to their feeding now. Alright, so now I'm just trying to fit it in. As you can see, my measurements seem to be okay because it fitted perfectly into the housing unit. That's the one for feeding the goats. Now I'm going to use binding wires, but before I use binding wires, I need to know where to make holes. I need to mark points for holes.
And something I can show.
Now I got the proper marker so I can see the points. I'm going to put a hole there, a hole there, another one there, and there, and there. And there. These wires I'm going to use to hold it in place so it's suspended, it's up. Alright, so now I'm going to try and make those holes. I'm using my heat element for soldering because it's going to produce a very neat and clean hole. Okay, so it's on, it's working. Let's leave it for a while to get hot. Now it's hot, so we can use it. You see it's bringing out more because it's creating smooth and clean holes. You put another hole there, and then another one there. So please like and subscribe, follow for more DIY hacks. I put a hole there, another one here, and there. All right, so another hole there, and there. I think we need to make two holes at the other side too, so the wires can pass through. Yes, we'll put one there. And one there. So we're done. Now it's time to get the binding wire and tie the PVC pipe in place. You can see the goats are excited. They are happy. I think they know we are creating something new for them and they like it because it's going to mean more food. Even the kid is happy. So now I'm tying the PVC pipe in place. Make sure it's firm. And I'm using binding wire. Okay, it's time to keep this other side in place also by using binding wire. Give it a firm grip so it doesn't move while when they are eating. Now it's time to make it tight and firm. All right. Make it tight, make it firm and solid. Yeah, that's very strong. Okay. So it's strong and clean, neat. The other side. So you use the pliers to turn the wires to make it very strong. So it's very strong and it's not moving, it's not shaking. We do the same thing for the one holding it from the top. Yeah, it's very strong, very solid, and firm in place. Okay, so that's good enough. It's time to feed and test. Okay, we need to put one at the center also. So we use the binding wire at 3 points at the two edges and at the center. So we're good, tight and strong and firm. Now it's time to go get the feed and feed the goats. You see how happy they are? They're so excited. They have a new feeding trough and it's just very convenient for them. So let's have some very dry grains. Kindly like, follow, subscribe, share, leave your comments if you have ideas we can incorporate for better projects. You can leave your comments below. You can share, please like and follow, subscribe. You see the goats are happy and they are eating fine. So this is my DIY PVC feeding trough for my goats. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.